Oi! In the previous video we did rule number 5 to 7 and I did a little bit more with design. So in this video we will again go on from the PIXAR rules from rule number 8 till only 10? Oh, rule number 8 till 10. Welcome to Designing with PIXAR. Let's start with rule number 8. Finish your story. Let go, even if it is not perfect. In an ideal world, you would have both. But move on, do better next time. Well, this one is also a difficult one. It's actually the most difficult one for artists to do. And it is, you have to get your stuff out there. Go for it. In the programmer's case, you can always update it. But for the others, it will never be perfect. Just get it out there. If you get it out there, you can make something else. You can become better at what you are doing by making something else, and then after that again making something else, and so on and so on. And even if you made something else, you can reflect on the first thing and you can make it better. But if you keep doing one thing, that one program or that one story or that one game, you will not be able to learn, because you will get stuck in your game and you will just keep on polishing and keep on looking at it and just get it out there. You can always do better the next time. Wait, because I think there are a lot of programmers that don't polish and just immediately throw it out there. No, polish first, but then get it out there. Just imagine, I waited posting videos until my videos were perfect. Yes, I would never post any video, and I admit my videos are not perfect, but at least I get something out there. Now, when you're stuck, make a list of what wouldn't happen next. Lots of times the material to get you unstuck will show up. This is a funny one. It helps writers to say what's not going to happen, but of course this counts also for programmers and designers, because there are a lot of ways to implement things. First, design. If you don't know how to do a kind of design, for instance, place a button, you can write down how you wouldn't do it. For instance, the button shouldn't be at the top, or the button shouldn't be at the bottom. Oh, well, then you have only the sides and the middle. Oh, but the button shouldn't be at the middle. Oh, then you have only the sides. Yeah, but the button, I don't want it right on the right side. So, oh, okay, left side. There you have it. The button has to be there. Solved. So there are a lot of ways to place your button, but you can also write down what you wouldn't do, and then maybe you can see, well, there are not many options left and this one is the best. And you know what? It's easier to write down where you wouldn't place your button or what you wouldn't do, because people are better at it. People are better at saying what they wouldn't do, saying what solutions they wouldn't fix the problem. People are better at it. And so doing the opposite, the thing where people succeeding, they are really good at it, doing the opposite helps you to doing the thing you want to do. Also in problem solving. If you are making a program or an algorithm and you don't get the solution and you're trying, maybe write down what didn't help. Write down what doesn't help, what will not help and why. Maybe you don't have to try the same solution like 100 times. A lot of people do that without even noticing, really. So rule number 10, pull apart stories you like or programs you like. What you like in them is a part of you. You've got to recognize it before you can use it. This is something you should absolutely do as a general exercise for you as a storyteller or as a programmer or as a designer. It will help you to understand yourself. And to understand programs more. Yes, I do it myself. I know how every Google app works because I love them. And I also know Zelda Breath of the Wild really well because I love that game. Oh yes, maybe I did spend an entire evening watching the bokoblins just to see what they do, would they react to different things, and I found out a lot. Did you know they even... Yes, I know exactly that plus button does for Google only does the animation to have multiple things to add, or if there's nothing else to add, it adds it immediately. I know that. I know such things, but did you? And maybe you knew, but did you notice? Did you thought about them? This is important. Don't look up cool stuff you just want to use, you just find on CodePen or any other site. No, stop that. Remember the rule. Just go to a program you really like and dissect it. Then you will see that there are a whole lot of other things you like you didn't knew you like. Just because you don't watch them and you don't think about them. Just look at those programs. Maybe they made some button boring, but more clear. Maybe you have to do that too. Maybe your button doesn't have to be that very exciting just as it is clear. Yeah, maybe I should do some dissecting of programs with you guys. Leave in the comments below if you want me to do it, and what programs. Take things from programs you really like. And ask yourself, why did they do that? Why did they make this boring? Why did they make this the same everywhere? Why? If you can understand all those things, all those designing tricks and things your favorite programs does, you can understand a lot more about design and you can make a lot more beautiful programs. Trust me. Well, we are already at the end of this video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more about this, or if you want just to get more videos about how to make programs, how to make projects, we have also videos about programming. We are going to make videos about project management. They will probably appear on the screen. Maybe subscribe to our channel. I'm Catherine. I do designing, looks, feels, and maybe the project management. We have Casper. He does the programming, the technical stuff. We work together as a team to make programs. I see you next week because I'm going to finish this PIXAR series before Casper can have his videos up. So see you next time. Bye.